Siargao is a small island located in the southeast of the Philippines. It's less than a tenth the size of Bali and also far less developed. Prime surf season runs from September to December, and most surfers stay in the general lunar area due to its close proximity to many different waves. This is where nearly all of the island's accommodation and restaurants are located too. Siargao is a well-connected island with daily flights from Manila or Cebu. From the airport, it's around a 45-minute drive to General Luna. The shuttle bus costs about 400 pesos per person. The best way to explore the island is definitely by motorbike. The roads are in good condition and you can rent a bike with a board rack for about 350 to 500 pesos per day. The most popular breaks in the general lunar area include Stimpy's, Rock Island, Jacking Horse, Tuason Point and the world-class Cloud 9. Cloud 9 is the wave that puts Siargao on the map. It's a perfect barreling peak, with the right-hander being the better option most of the time. The left also gets really good now and then, and is usually way less crowded. You can surf this wave on all tides, but use some caution as it gets very shallow at low tide. Cloud 9 is the best wave on the island, and definitely one of the best waves in the whole of the Philippines. If you're looking for a mellower option, Jacking Horse is a beginner and intermediate friendly reef break within walking distance of Cloud 9. It's a really soft right-hander, popular with longboarders and beginners on the inside taking their first ever surf lesson. You can surf this wave on all tides, and if you need to hire a board, then there's plenty of options on the beach. If lefts are more your thing, the hollow reef setup of Tuason Point is just a short drive away from Cloud 9. Although it doesn't happen too often, when conditions come together it can produce big, heavy and very shallow left-hand tubes. It should only be surfed at mid to high tide, as it gets dangerously shallow at low tide. Stimpy's and Rock Island are left and right hand reef breaks just north of General Luna. They're a couple of kilometres out to sea, so you need to take a boat to surf these waves. Stimpy's is a really fun left, suiting intermediate to advanced surfers. It's best at mid to low tide, but can still break at high tide if the swell is big enough. Rock Island is almost a mirror image of Stimpy's. This punchy right-hander works best at mid to low tide and suits intermediate to advanced surfers. About an hour's drive north of General Luna, you'll find the quality point break of Pacifico. It's a really long left-hander with a few different sections to help spread out the crowd. During the right conditions, it can get really hollow and throw out a few nice barrels. You can surf Pacifico on all tides, but some of the sections can get very shallow at low tide. There are plenty of other breaks around the island suiting all different levels of surfing. Have an explore and you may just get some waves to yourself. One of the best activities to do when the waves are bad is to visit Siargao's very own Wakepark. Set in a beautiful location just outside General Luna, it's open daily and is also very reasonably priced. Beginner lessons are also available if you've never wakeboarded before. Please see the link in the description for their website so you can book a session when you're next in Siargao. There are plenty of other fun things to do during flat days, such as island hopping or checking out some of the other cool spots around the island. If you need to get some fresh fruit, veggies or seafood, There are plenty of small shops and markets around General Luna, and also a supermarket about 15 minutes drive away. If you need any surf supplies or even a new board, KS Boardriders surf shop in General Luna has definitely got you covered.